Hey folks, I'm Bethany with the Baratza support team. Today I'm going to walk you through brewing a Chemex with the Encore conical burr grinder. The Chemex is a great choice for brewing at home, especially when you have a few people you'd like to brew coffee for. Its sleek and functional design can help you achieve more clarity in your cup and elevate more delicate flavor profiles in your coffees. Because the Chemex filter is 30% thicker than traditional filters, it helps remove unwanted oils, resulting in a sweet, clean, and hopefully delicious cup of coffee. All right, let's get to brewing. You may have seen a variety of ways to brew the Chemex out there. I find this method gives me the best results when I'm brewing more than one cup of coffee. Today I'll be brewing for about 3 to 4 people, enough to share with some folks around the Baratza office. First, we're going to grab our filter. We'll want to orient our filter so that the side with 3 layers is facing the pour spout. This helps avoid a seal and allows air to escape during the brew. Then we're going to pre-wet this to remove any papery flavors that would otherwise be present in the brew. I'm using a 1:16 coffee to water ratio today, and I have 50 grams of Olympia Morning Sun Colombian blend. I'm going to grind this at setting 25. We're aiming for a medium coarse grind that roughly resembles sea salt. Keep in mind that you can adjust your grind setting coarser or finer based on the coffee you are using to help enhance the flavor in your cup. Check out our How to Adjust Your Grind Size by Roast Profile video for more info. All right, now that we have our coffee ground and ready to go, we're going to add this to our filter and grab our kettle. I have my water temperature set to 205 degrees, just off boil. Pour 100 grams of water for 30 seconds to allow the coffee to degas. This is called blooming and allows your coffee to release carbon dioxide. At this point, I like to give my coffee a gentle stir with a spoon or paddle to ensure all of the grounds are evenly wet. Next, I'll pour 140 grams of water, starting in the middle of the brew bed and working outwards in concentric circles. I'll slightly graze the filter to access any dry grounds before returning back to the center. I like to make sure I keep my hands steady, pouring at a consistent height to minimize agitation in the brew. In support, we get a lot of questions about issues with long contact times and muddy brew beds. This is often linked to heavy and inconsistent pouring with your kettle, which can lead to clogged up brew beds and waiting an extended amount of time for your coffee to draw down. To mitigate this, we recommend high agitation by stirring at the beginning of the brew, especially after the bloom, and little to no agitation towards the middle and the end of your brew. This will definitely come with practice, but don't be too hard on yourself if you struggle with controlling your pour at first. I'll continue to pour 140 grams at a time, 4 more times until I reach 800 grams total. The total brew time should be somewhere between 4.5 to 5 minutes. Once your coffee is done draining, remove your filter, give it a swirl, and serve. I hope you and your friends enjoy a delicious cup of coffee. Thanks so much for watching, and cheers!